On the last trading session of Friday, gold spot printed a closing price little above $1,792 per ounce. Numbers are rounded and market is closed. And on the last week, gold traded as low as 1,760 and as high as 1,813. Numbers are rounded and the market is closed. Now, technically, there is some sort of a progress happening. We have regained the 50 days and the days daily simple moving averages. We have only the 200 days. Gold is trading below this level, slightly below this level. The death cost is still there, and the RSI readings are bullish on all the charts, from the daily chart to the monthly chart. Now, the support levels are seen at 1780, then 1750, then 1720. The resistance levels are seen at 1800, then 1817, then 1833. The pivot for the week is 1788. The pivot for the last trading session was at 1795. Those are the levels to watch on the early start of the coming week. That's all. Moving out to the calendar. On the economic calendar for the coming weekend from the United States, we are waiting for the following economic headers. CB consumer confidence to be released on Tuesday, the core durable goods orders to be released on Wednesday, and the GDP and the pending home sales to be released on Thursday. That's all for the economic calendar. We'll move now to the trading strategy. Hi again, it's always nice to meet you in a new episode of our Gold Price Weekly Forecast. Gold today. If you are new for this video, just let me guide you through how this works. We're going to start with a quick recap of our last video, and then we will have a look at the US dollar chart, then at the gold chart, and then we will arrive at a conclusion. Now, on the last week, I happened to be bearish on gold, and I have recommended some sort, or let's say some setups for a sell-off. I said 1772, 1790, 1800 or above could be good, nice entries for a sell position, and this myself for my own tradings and for my own clients. So what I've been advising you guys, I've been doing, I sold at 1772, recovered 1762, 1789, recovered 1778, and I sold above 1800 and recovered at 1785 on the last trading session of Friday. Now going into the next week and starting with the US dollar chart, the US dollar chart is still pointing for a continuation of the breakout that we've been having in the, let's say, past 2 months. Still the target is the same, 98 or above. But if you will look at the small charts, there is a possibility, a tiny possibility, that the US dollar index is going to do some sort of consolidation or a minor correction on the target of little above 93. However, if this takes place, this will make gold, silver, and the rest of the precious metals somehow to trade at ease or maybe at higher rates. That's why on the coming week, I'm going with a neutral bias on the precious metals. Now moving into the gold chart, as I have been telling you in the last week, what I'm telling you, I'm actually applying myself on my own trading and the trading that is for my own clients. So as you see, I've been telling you this is the falling trend line, and as we see from the gold market, whenever we are approaching this falling trend line, somehow sellers appears and a sell-off takes place in the market, and you see the price rolling over. Now, gold tried last week to do a breakout on the last trading session of Friday, and we moved past above, as you see, the falling trend line, but the market at like 2 or 3 hours before the closing did a sell-off, and they closed below the falling trend line. So technically, gold still did not do any breakout. If you focus on the chart of gold, you will see that always when we are approaching this market, we come down and we form some sort of an evening star. Then the market changed the evening star into let's say, a bull flag, and it tries to rally again. So I would say that this continuation of attempts to break out, it will result in some sort of a fake out, not a breakout. But in both cases, either a fake out or a breakout, price of gold could move a little bit higher. So that's why if you are bearish on gold, you got to be patient to have a good entry from the highs. Now, bottom line, my views on gold, silver, and the rest of the precious metals is the same. I believe that there is a massive sell-off is coming into these markets, and it's needed to start or to restart the bull run to the upside with a huge target. But this does not make me like so much rigid and not to adjust if there is an opportunity to the upside. So basically, going into the next week, I'm going to trade gold on the both sides. As I said, I might buy the dips nearby 1770, 1760, and I will sell if the market it tries to trade above 1800, around 1817 and around 1833 and 1850, 55, if that is possible. Uh, However, as I said, I'm not changing my views on gold or the rest of the precious metals, but if there is an opportunity in the market, why not to take it? That's it for our video for this week. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to join us on our website www.goldcoachy.com. You will find a variety of products and services that will help you to trade. I mean packages that gives trading signals and trading alerts and market reports. And then additional to that, there are some free features in the website that will help you to trade gold, silver, and a variety of other financial markets. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next week in another video.